How to fix this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread. So if you want to fix the Telegram not available problem, then what you need to do is there are a few steps. So the first thing you need to do is, so you just need to open up your Telegram application, tap and open up your Telegram, and you need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then search for Nice Gram bot. Once you search here, you will have your Nice Gram bot, right? So you just need to simply tap on the Nice Gram bot. Once you tap on it, now you need to tap on start, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you will have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply tap on I'm 18 years old, and again tap on the second option, which is show sensitive content. Tap on that, and then tap on OK. And once the green tick comes under the two options, now you can simply go and restart your Telegram, and then you can go for the search and search for the content, and that content will be displayed. So that's how you can fix Telegram not available problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.